I'll need to do 5 quizzes and I'll need to get an average of 80%. And if I lose, I'll need to do some of your stupid dares that you sent on Discord. But yeah, without further ado, let's start. Rubik's Cube types. Can you name all of the puzzle in the WCA? Bruh, who do you think I am, bro? Let me speed run this shit.
3, 2, 1, go!
2 by 2, 2 by 3. 4 by 4, 5 5, 6 6, 7 by 7. Mega Minx and Pyraminx. So yeah, I got 100%. I told you, bro. I'm a genius. I told you. Alright, next quiz is Rubik's Cube picture quiz. Wow. 2 by 2. That's a 2 by 3. That's a 4 by 4. That's a 5 by 5. That's a 16 by 16. Is it 17? Okay, I don't know how to count. Cool. That's a 6 by 6. That's a 7 by 7. A V cube? 7 by 7? It's pillowed. I can go like 7 by 7 pillowed. Yes, okay. That's a 7 by 7. That's a 8 by 8. That's Pyraminx. That's a Master Minx. Tyraminx. Well, I lost because the timer's done. Okay. 79. Rubik's Cube world record holders. Name as many world record holders in 5 minutes as you can. I don't want to do this. Let's do Hang Wang. That's the wrong human being. It's called Yu Shang Du, if I'm right. Do Yu Shang. How do I write you? Felix would probably be in this. I don't know, right? Wow. Matt's Volk. It's Yu Shang. Is it? I probably wrote his name wrong. Let me try. I knew it.
A few moments later.
Listen. I'm throwing random names of legends and it works.
2,000 years later.
There's 3 seconds. I'm doomed. Alright, who was it? Wow, I don't know none of these. I did good. I don't care. I did good. I did real good. Try to list many different Rubik's Cubes as you can. Well, let's freaking do it. 3 by 3. What? Is it 2 by 3 by 3? I really hate you, man. You know what I don't hate though? When you use my discount code normal from speedcubeshop.com. I'm sorry. I'm actually sorry. Use it though. We got Pyraminx, we got Megaminx. I don't know, right? Megaminx. Yes. 8 by 8, 9 by 9. We got 11 by 11. Oh, we do. Okay, we got all the numbers. I'm sure we're not done. I'm sure he has that 2 by 2 by 4. Does a gear cube count? Yes. I'm thinking old puzzle. I'm thinking Rubik's Magic right now. I told you. We got Skew. I'm thinking 2 by 3 by 3. Yes, I knew it. I probably missed something. Rubik's Clock. I'm not sure if clock existed. Okay, it did. Guys, I might fail, but I got 60. Hey Speed Curious, here's a challenge for you. Name all the PLR permutation of the 2 by 3. Oh my god, I'm gonna speed this shit up.
3, 2, 1, go!
We got YZH, we got NA, no, we got NAAB, we got AA, we got AB, AB, we got T, we got, I did H, we did NA, we did NA, we did Y, we did, oh fuck, we did UAB, then, GHBGCDD. I have some missing. I didn't do the NA and B. I didn't do NA. I did. God fucking it. W. Not. Damn. Yo. G. G A G B. F. God, I'm so stressed. Wow. T. I did T. God fucking damn. R A or B. And. No, fucking. Okay, I still got 95% though. I still got 95%. Alright, so let's count. We have on the first test 100%. Next test 79. Next 57. Next 60. Last one 95. And the average of the 5 quizzes is this sucks. This really